Yeah, so guys, this guy is asking what candles should he be looking at when he's buying or selling in the forex market. This is a very simple beginner question, so let's just get straight to the screen so I'll show you guys how to do that.
Begin yesterday before markets open. You can see I was on a crazy BTC winning streak. You can see I had my first entry, breaker block entry model over here. This was my breaker block. Structural liquidity was this equal lows over here, price tapped in, bullish engulfing confirmation, as well as a morning star candlestick confirmation. Took the trade to the upside. This second trade was taken in the 3 minutes time frame. This was an order block continuation entry model. We had this one over here. This was the order block. Structural liquidity was this inducement or field pullback over here, price tapped in. For this particular trade, I entered somewhere around this place because price was so bullish after tapping into the point of entry, just went up immediately. Yeah, so I had to wait for the candle to retrace back a bit for me to enter over there. So that was like some sort of a morning star candlestick confirmation, but I entered way above this side. And then for this last trade was taken in the 5 minutes time frame. I sent this signal to the VIP community, as you can see on your screen. And guys, unfortunately, I won't be accepting any more VIP subscriptions. Yes, so I've closed out my VIP subscriptions. I won't be providing VIP signals to anybody from now on. At least if you are coming now, I'm not accepting any subscriptions anymore. For those who are already subscribed, I'm going to provide signals to you until your subscription has been fully exhausted. Okay, I'm not saying I'm going to close down the group. No, the group is still going to be open. I'm going to provide signals until the last man in the group's subscription has been exhausted. So you can see I provided this signal to them as well. Breaker block over here. Structural liquidity was over here in 3 minutes time frame. Price tapped in, bullish engulfing confirmation. We entered somewhere over here, straight to take profit, easy trade, looking at a 1:4. And then we are currently in a GBP AUD buy. I analyzed this with my private mentorship on Saturday, I think on Sunday, when I was teaching them the types of inducements on Sunday. And then I thought to share it with the VIP community once market is open. So you can see when markets open, price was around this region. When markets open, price just tapped into the order block reversal entry model. You can see that break of structure over a market structure shift inducement, price tapped, then bullish engulfing confirmation, took the trade to the upside. We already smashed take profit one. Our SLs are break even, so we are practically running a risk-free trade. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Let's just get straight to the video while we're here today. We're going to be talking about a more of a beginner topic, which is the types of candlesticks, because yeah, that's it. So we have two types of candlesticks. We have the bullish and then we have the bearish candlesticks. Guys, keep this in mind: bullish and bearish candlesticks. Bullish candlesticks represents the market price going to the upside or buying. So let me deepen this a bit. Bullish candlesticks represent market price going up or buy. Let me write it like this. Yes, this is for the bullish candlestick. And then the bearish candlesticks represents price going to the downside or selling. Do you understand? Down or sell. Do you get it? Yeah, so these are the two types of candlesticks we have in the market. When you see a bullish candlestick, it's telling you the market is going to be buying. When you see a bearish candlestick, it's telling you the market is going to be selling. Do you understand that? So for a bullish candlestick, you have a bullish candlestick opening at the bottom and then closing at the top. Do you understand? You have a bullish candlestick opening at the bottom, closing at the top, like this. And then you have your wick in it. If it has a wick, you have your wick in it, representing the highest point at the top that the candle went to, and then the lowest point at the bottom that the candle went to. There's more into detail on this, but I'm not going to do that here. Then for the bearish candlestick, you have your bearish candlestick opening at the top and then closing at the bottom, like this. Opening at the top, closing at the bottom, like this. Yeah, and then the wick as well in it, representing the highest point the candle went to at the top, and then the lowest point the candle went to at the bottom. Yeah, so by default, you're going to find these candlesticks being green for the bullish candlestick and then red for the bearish candlestick. Do you understand? It's just two colors by default. I personally changed my colors, as you can see. I personally changed them to bullish being red, bearish being gray. You can customize it to anything else you want. When you come to the settings, after you come to settings, you go to symbol. When you go to symbol, these are the colors, so you can customize them to anything you want. The settings is at the upper corner of the screen over here, so you click on settings, then you come to symbol over here. You have this to edit. Yeah, so guys, that's practically it. If you see a bullish candlestick, it's telling you that price is going up, or price is going to be buying. And then when you see a bearish candlestick, it's telling you that price is going down or price is going to be selling. There's more technical stuff to this, but this is practically like the interface of what is actually happening. Do you understand? Yeah, because that's the question the guy asked. What is how are you going to know if price is going to buy or sell based on the candlestick? So bullish, buy, bearish, sell. Do you understand? That doesn't mean when you see a bullish candle you start buying, or when you see a bearish candle you start selling. No, that's why I said there's more technical stuff to this, but this is just like the interface. Yeah, so guys, as usual, comment what you want to learn about forex, and I'm going to make a video on that for you very easily. If I'm going through the comments and you're lucky, I'll make a video on that for you. Yeah, for those who want to join the mentorship, as I said, I'm no longer providing VIP signal services. Yeah, so if you want to join the mentorship, reach out to me in the DMs and we are going to assist you on that. Apart from that, if you want to join the Telegram channel as well, you can just click the link in my bio to send you straight to my channel. If that link isn't working, send a DM to me. I'll personally send you the link. You copy and paste it in your browser. You have access to the channel, guys.